The red planet has intrigued humans for centuries. Mars holds a rich history that spans both scientific discovery and cultural imagination. Let's dive into the story of Mars, its origins, and its role in our understanding of the universe. Chapter 1. The Formation of Mars. Mars formed around 4.6 billion years ago during the early stages of the solar system. Like Earth, it began as a swirling mass of gas and dust that eventually transformed into a rocky planet. As the fourth planet away from the Sun, Mars is about half the size of Earth and has a thin atmosphere primarily composed of carbon dioxide. Its iconic red color comes from the iron oxide or rust on its surface. Chapter 2. A water-rich world. Billions of years ago, Mars was a very different planet. Evidence from orbiters and rovers suggests that ancient Mars had a thick atmosphere, liquid water, and possibly even a climate suitable for life. Features like dried-up riverbeds, deltas, and lake basins point to a time where water flowed freely on its surface. The Gale Crater and Jerizo Crater explored by NASA's rovers are prime examples of areas that likely hosted ancient lakes. Chapter 3. The Loss of Atmosphere. Mars lost much of its atmosphere about 3.7 billion years ago, transforming it into a cold, arid planet we see today. Scientists believe that the planet's weak magnetic field allowed solar winds to strip away its atmosphere, leading to the evaporation of surface water. This atmospheric loss marked a turning point in Mars' history, ending its potential as a habitable world. Chapter 4. Mars and Ancient Astronomy. Mars has been observed by humans for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations including the Babylonians, Egyptians, and Greeks noted its reddish appearance and associated it with war and aggression. The planet's name comes from the Roman god of war, Mars, reflecting its fiery red color. In many cultures, Mars has been a symbol of power, passion, and even mystery. Chapter 5. The Telescopic Era. The invention of the telescope in the 17th century brought Mars into a sharper focus. Astronomers like Galileo Galilei and Christiaan Huygens observed its polar ice caps and surface features, laying the groundwork for modern planetary science. In the 19th century, Italian astronomer Giovanni Schiaparelli described canali, which are channels, on Mars, which were later misinterpreted as evidence of intelligent life. This fueled speculation about Martian civilizations. Chapter 6. The Search for Life on Mars. Mars has long been a focus of the search for extraterrestrial life. Modern missions such as NASA's Perseverance and Curiosity rovers are investigating signs of ancient microbial life by studying rocks and soil samples in areas that once held water. Chapter 7. Robotic Exploration. The era of robotic exploration began in 1965 with NASA's Mariner 4, the first spacecraft to fly by Mars and capture images of its surface. Since then, dozens of missions have been sent to Mars, revealing a wealth of information about its geology, climate, and even history. Key missions include the Viking 1 and 2, which were the first successful landers who searched for signs of life, the Pathfinder, which pioneered the use of rovers, and last but not least, the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, which provided high-resolution maps of the Martian surface. Chapter 8. The Discovery of Water. One of the most significant breakthroughs in Mars' exploration has been the discovery of water. In 2008, NASA's Phoenix lander confirmed the presence of water ice just beneath the surface. Recent missions have found evidence of salty liquid water brines in ancient river valleys, reinforcing the idea that Mars may have been habitable in the past. Chapter 9. The Future of Mars' Exploration. Mars continues to be a key focus of space agencies and private companies. NASA and ESA are working on missions to bring Martian soil samples back to Earth for analysis. Meanwhile, SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, and other organizations aim to send humans to Mars in the coming decades. These missions could pave the way for colonization, answering questions about Mars' potential as a second home for humanity. Chapter 10. Mars' Legacy in Science and Culture. Mars is more than just a planet. It's a symbol of human curiosity and determination. From ancient stargazers to modern scientists, our fascination with the red planet has driven advancements in technology, science, and exploration. As we look to the future, Mars continues to inspire dreams of discovery and the possibility of life beyond Earth. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.